What's up, everyone? This is Evgen from the local Canadian company Appliance Fix Lab in Winnipeg. It's time to troubleshoot the Moffat appliances. This video is about repairing and maintaining 3 Moffat brand refrigerators in the Burrows Central area of Winnipeg. Today I will diagnose 3 refrigerators and identify the cause of their malfunction. All 3 refrigerators do not produce cold. I proceed to diagnostics. The first stage is a visual inspection, after which I note that in 2 refrigerators the freezer fan does not work, and in the third the compressor temperature is too high and the noise of the operating compressor is too loud. At the second stage, having unscrewed a couple of screws, I got access to the internal components of the freezer. I measure the technical parameters of all units in the refrigerators. Gotcha. After the measurements, I have information that the fan is faulty in one of the refrigerators. The fan terminal block is faulty in the second, and the third has a CL system leak. There is not enough refrigerant in the system. Having completed a full diagnosis, I proceed to repair 2 of the 3 refrigerators. The third refrigerator requires expensive repairs, which include collecting the remaining refrigerant from the system, filling it with indicator gas, determining the leak location, repairing or replacing the damaged section, vacuuming the system, replacing the compressor, and filling the system with refrigerant to the required level. Such repairs do not make financial sense, and I recommended disposing of it. To repair the first refrigerator, I removed the faulty freezer fan motor and installed a new one in its place. In the second refrigerator, I removed the factory connector that connects the freezer wires to the wires coming from the refrigerator control board. Unfortunately, the original wiring and connectors are not available for ordering, so I twisted the wires directly, excluding the connectors from the circuit. I let the refrigerators work for about 15 minutes and measure the temperature inside the refrigerator and freezer compartments. Success! 2 refrigerators cool perfectly and are ready for further use. It's time to say goodbye. If you have questions about repairing a Moffat refrigerator or questions about any other appliances, shoot to us in the comments, and the Appliance Fix Lab team will answer them. I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the servicing appliances in Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.